Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Milanote. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace designed for notes, tasks, wikis, and databases, offering immense flexibility for structured information. Milanote, on the other hand, is a highly visual workspace, perfect for creative projects, mood boards, and brainstorming. We'll explore their core functionalities, highlighting where each tool truly shines. Understanding their distinct approaches will help you determine which platform best suits your unique workflow and project requirements, whether for personal use or team collaboration. Notion truly excels in managing structured information. Its robust database features allow you to create interconnected systems for project tracking, content calendars, and knowledge bases. You can customize virtually everything, from property types to view layouts, making it incredibly adaptable for complex workflows. It supports a wide array of content blocks, including text, images, and even code snippets, providing a comprehensive solution for detailed organization. This makes Notion an ideal choice for those needing a highly organized and scalable digital workspace. Milanote shines as a visual powerhouse, offering an intuitive, infinite canvas for creative exploration. It's the perfect tool for designers, writers, and artists to gather inspiration, create stunning mood boards, and visually plan projects. With simple drag-and-drop functionality, you can easily add images, videos, links, and notes. Its collaborative features allow teams to brainstorm together in real time, adding comments and feedback directly on the board. Milanote simplifies the process of bringing visual ideas to life, fostering creativity and seamless teamwork. Ultimately, your choice between Notion and Milanote depends on your primary needs. If you require a highly structured system for project management, detailed note-taking, and database-driven workflows, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if your work is predominantly visual, involving mood boards, brainstorming, and creative collaboration, Milanote will be more effective. Both platforms offer free tiers, allowing you to experiment and discover which tool aligns better with your personal or team's working style before making a commitment. Consider your daily tasks carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.